What's up, y'all? On this rainy day, we're gonna go check on the progress of the RSX. As you know, if you follow me on Instagram, the RSX got hit. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna explain to you what needs to be fixed, to show you the progress that we already made, and I have a clip of when it was hit, but I don't know if the format's gonna work with my computer, so hopefully I can insert the clip. Maybe not, who knows, but I'm gonna show you what's going on for now, how far we got, give you an explanation of the direction that we're going with the car, show you if the parts have been, show you the direction we're going with the car, and show you what I got for the car so that we can get started. Well, show you what I have for why we got started. However you word that, that's what I'm talking about. So let's head over to the shop and let's go check out my baby. I'll see you when I get there. Well, you'll see me when I get there. However that works. All right, so check it out. This is what ended up happening, guys. Car was in here. Everything was shifted over to the side. So as you see here, everything is super close together. So this is the rad support. This whole piece is coming out. So that one can go in. Then we have to adjust this way. And for the most part, that's the biggest part. The headlights, those have to be replaced. I'm ripping out the HID setup that's in here. And I have to rip out this bar here. But 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover for this. There's my front bumper. Fenders, wing, the brackets for the, turn up the ISO so you can see it. The brackets for the headlights, the AC lines, thermostat, and the cable for the hood is in there too. So that's everything, guys, that needs to be done. We're gonna get started. I didn't realize the car was on, so I'll get back to you in a second. We started straightening out the frame. I'm not going to get a new one of these yet because not really on my list of things to do. All the lights got fixed. I still got to finish this wire. As you see, the new rad support is up here. Lights on the other side are also done. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw the clip of me having to rip the manifold off to get to the thermostat because the old one, give me a second, had a little mishap. So now I need an O-ring in here so this will stop leaking, and I'm gonna have to do a tune-up on this car ASAP. But besides that, slowly but surely getting done. Probably gonna rip this wheel off and start doing the strut. So let's finish this car up. So I had to take a quick break from my car and wet sand this. As you can see, look, it's already started. I'm working on a panel now, and once I'm finished wet sanding this car, it's back to finishing mine. So catch you in a little bit. Just wanted to give you an idea of what's going on. And I forgot to record it, but I changed the suspension over there, but I'll show you when I get back over there, all right? So I'll catch you in a minute. So real quick, I put the other stock strut in, so now my RSX is sitting on all stock suspension in the back again. So that's a good thing. I still got time to do brakes. Still got some life left on them, but just to let you guys see, it's slowly but surely getting there. This side is already done. So as I continue to work on, this is about to become my daily, because I have a surprise for you guys coming in about a week or two. So you'll see why this car is being turned back into a daily. I'll probably still do the K24 swap, or maybe do a Type R swap, just to get a little bit more kick out of this. But that's about to be my daily, but you will see why soon, okay? So thank you guys for continuing to support, and as I do more work, I will get back to you. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end this video out yet, but right now we have to weld the subframe back on and put everything back together and then start painting it. So that's the goal. So for now, I gotta finish wet sanding this baby.